If you've been scrolling through Amazon or Wayfair looking for a couch that actually fits your life, you have definitely seen this one. This is the Belffin Modular Sectional Sleeper Sofa. It's got thousands of reviews. It looks great in photos. But the big question is, how does it hold up in real life? Welcome back to the channel. Usually we talk about securing your home with smart locks, but today we're talking about comfort inside the home. I've been testing this modular set to see if it is the ultimate budget-friendly furniture hack for 2025. We're going to cover the assembly, the modularity, the storage wars, and, most importantly, the comfort test. Let's dive into this Belffin Modular Sectional Sleeper Sofa review for 2025. What is modular in design first? Let's talk about the main selling point, modularity. Unlike a traditional couch that comes in one giant piece, the Belffin is basically Lego for adults. Every single seat and ottoman is an independent block. This means you can set it up as an L shape, a U shape, or push it all together to make a massive movie night bed, which we'll do in a second. The connectors are hidden metal brackets that keep the pieces from sliding apart. In 2025, flexibility is key. And if you move apartments or just want to rearrange your living room for a party, this design is a game changer. Part 2. The storage hack. Now for my favorite feature, and this is huge if you live in a smaller space or just hate clutter. Almost every single piece of this sectional has storage underneath the cushion. The hydraulic lift is surprisingly smooth. It stays open on its own, so it won't smash your fingers. I managed to fit extra throw blankets, winter coats, and all my gaming controllers in here. It's a massive amount of hidden volume that standard sofas just don't offer. Part 3. The sleeper function bed mode. The keyword here is sleeper sofa. But it's not a pull-out mattress with those uncomfortable metal bars in your back. To turn this into a bed, you just rearrange the ottomans to fill in the gaps. I've got to be honest, Teeb's massive. It's basically the size of a queen or even a king bed, depending on how many modules you bought. It is firm, we'll get to that next, but for a guest bed or a Sunday football marathon, it works perfectly. Part 4. Comfort and build quality. Okay, the elephant in the room. Is it comfortable? Here is the honest truth. If you are looking for a cloud couch that you sink 10 inches into, this isn't it. The foam on the Belffin is definitely on the firmer side. It's supportive and it holds its shape well, which is great for longevity, but don't expect a super squishy experience right out of the box. It does break in after a few weeks, but keep in mind this is firm support. As for the fabric, this specific model is the velvet finish. It's soft to the touch, looks premium, and surprisingly, pet hair wipes off it pretty easily, which is a huge plus. Part 5. Assembly and delivery. Quick note on logistics. This thing arrives in a lot of boxes. If you order the 6 or 7-piece set, prepare for a mountain of cardboard. The good news? The assembly is incredibly DIY friendly. You basically just screw in the legs and attach the backs. I had the whole thing set up in about an hour with just one other person helping. Verdict: pros and cons. So, is the Belffin Modular Sofa worth your money in 2025? Let's break it down. Pros: insane versatility. Change your layout whenever you want. Storage: the hidden compartments are a lifesaver. Value: compared to name brand modulars that cost $3,000 plus, this is very competitive. Transport: easy to move since it breaks down into small squares. Cons: low backrests. The backs are a bit lower than traditional sofas. If you are very tall, you might want extra pillows. Firmness: it is firm. If you like soft couches, you might need a topper for sleeping. Boxes: dealing with the recycling of 7 boxes is a chore. Overall, for the price and the utility, the Belffin is a solid win for a modern, functional home. It looks more expensive than it is, and that storage is something I can't live without now. I've left a link in the description below if you want to check the current pricing or the different color options. If you have this sofa, let me know in the comments, how is it holding up for you? Don't forget to hit that like button if this review helped you out, and subscribe for more reviews on how to upgrade your home setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.